Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, if you have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So, yesterday we did analysis for today, talking about Euro JPY to give us a bullish move. So, on Monday we actually had a bullish move. Euro JPY actually get opened and closed bullish. Today also we talked about having a bullish move, and price actually gave us that bullish move. And I've given you multiple reasons why we'll be having that movement, right? So the next day, which is for the 11th, we would want to see where this price will be moving. So, like I said previously, I'm still expecting a bullish move, and I've given you my targets that I am watching out for, right? Which is a level of 143. Let's say 143.900. Let's see if price will actually get to that level. Or 143.930. Let's watch out. That is the level that I'm watching out for. Reason that I'm saying that is that we saw price have given us a reaction at this level. Then price has once reacted to this same level. We saw a reaction this at this level and again at this level. Once price came to this level, we had a pullback. Anyway, this is one of the reasons why we took this level as the resistance level. Why this level that we are seeing a reaction at the bottom, which is the support level, we will take it as a support level. So you can see that once price comes to the support level, we tend to see an impulse move straight to the resistance level. So basically, price has been giving us that movement. So when you take a look at this movement, price has dropped to the support level, and of course, we're expecting a bullish move to this resistance level. That is one. Secondly, is that when you compare your index together, you will see that JPY index, right, is actually dropping. So that is to say that we expect more drop on JPY index. So if JPY index will actually drop, then any other currency we will be trading to JPY should give us a bullish move. So since we will be trading euro to JPY, then we expect euro to give us a bullish move since JPY will be dropping. Coupled with the fact that even this euro itself, the index, is actually on a bullish move, right? You can see it's talked about, having a bullish move yesterday. We talked about this as a pullback, and now we expect a bullish move, and price give us that bullish move we talked about on euro JPY. So actually today we actually had a bullish move. So for the next day, which is 11, we expect it to also give us a bullish move. So therefore, euro JPY should also open and close bullish. So let's see if we can grab about 70 to 100 pips for that day, for the next day. So you can see on the forward time frame, a pullback has been made. You can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. You can see another highs, a new lows, higher lows, sorry. A new highs has been formed that broke this previous highs. So maybe we can wait for this price to go up a bit. Once it makes a pullback, which definitely it will happen, then you can go ahead and take your buy on euro JPY.